guys, it's Alex from POV Driving, and today we're gonna test drive the new 3 Series Touring. This model is equipped with the biggest engine BMW can offer right now for the 3 Series. It's the 340 xDrive. So let's take it for a spin. Oh, sorry for the wind noise. We are in Sweden. It's really cold and windy. All right. So as I said, this is the 340, the fastest alternative in the 3 Series Touring, and you can hear it. You can really hear it. Wait, just let me. All right. Listen to this. It sounds really good. It sounds really good. So let's take it for a spin. We put it in comfort mode, put it in drive. Let's see what we think about this car. This car is equipped with the M Sports package, which includes this really nice steering wheel. It's really thick. You have the paddles. Feels like an M car when you're sitting here in the driver's position. It's also the same, almost the same engine as in the 335, the previous versions. It's an inline 6 with a twin scroll turbo. Produces 326 horsepower according to BMW. So there is some serious power under the hood. Oh, sorry, I can't really take your call right now. The interface is really good. This is the new xDrive 5.0. It's fresh, it's easy to use. I think this is really important because if you use your car daily and you know, having your smartphone attached to the connected to the drive, to the xDrive, it should really be smooth. It should work good. Let's see, the map is really smooth and nice. It's not laggy at all. It looks really good. This car has the sound system from Harman Kardon. It sounds good. It's not like the, I must say, the Logic DSP sound systems you get in the older versions. They were pretty amazing, but they also costed a little bit more. But it's good. It's acceptable. It's a great sounding sound system. So there is nothing to complain about. So the media system is really good. The facelifted version got the new instrument here, the new dashboard, which is digital. In comfort mode it looks like this. Let's see, Eco Pro, the mode I don't really like because it's really boring. It could be nice when you're driving long distances, but when you're driving in your town and making errands, you don't want to drive around in this mode. So this is how comfort mode looks like. This is like sport, and you hear the exhaust. Sport plus. Yeah. When you see this car, you cannot expect it to sound like it sounds like. It's pretty amazing. Also, this car has the stock exhaust system, and you can add the M Performance exhaust or any other aftermarket exhaust, but listen to this. I mean, it's enough. Look. It's really moving. It sounds great. No turbo lag at all. That's what I love about this turbocharged BMW engine. They made something special. They made something really special. I mean, they need the power, they need the turbos, but they added it, and you can't feel any turbo lag. It's still still feels like a natural aspirated engine, but you have the little boost, you know. It's really good. So this is the new engine, the B58. The previous one was the N55 and N54, which was really known for being a tuner-friendly engine. It's a really great engine and it's really fun. Of course, when you start to tune it, you will notice some turbo lag, but then you're having really fun with the car. So this is the B58 engine. It's pretty similar. It's still a 3-liter inline 6 with the twin scroll turbo. It's a little bit bigger, not noticeable. It's like 2.999972 liters, and the N55 was like 2.9997. So it's a little bit bigger. You can notice it a little bit in the power, but still it has 20 horsepower more than the N55. So of course you should feel something. They also improved the cooling system. They made a new water to air cooling, which was a known problem for the N55 and N54 when you wanted to tune them. So that problem is solved. It feels really good. But when you read the model name, BMW 340 xDrive, it doesn't sound sporty. It doesn't sound like the M235, which is not an M car, but still it's a half step to the M division. This is not the M340, this is not the M135, this is a 340 Touring. It's a nice family car, nice business car with a great engine, but you shouldn't underestimate it. It's really fun to drive. Even though it's xDrive, you can have really fun with the car. When it's rainy outside and you push the pedal, you can feel the back playing a little bit. It's really satisfying. It's really satisfying. If I wanted to compare it with the other German manufacturers, I would say Audi S4 and Mercedes C43 AMG Touring. It's almost the same car, but I think this is a little bit better in terms of quality. Even though those names sounds a little bit more sporty, this car has some serious power and it's really fun to drive. I can really feel the work BMW have put down producing this car, because it's really fun to drive. It's a nice driving experience. A lot of people like Audi and Mercedes today, and I can feel them. They made some pretty nice cars lately. The design is really modern and new. BMW are a little bit conservative, but still I think they are making better cars now when it comes to design. When it comes to engine and the drivetrain, it's still good. It's still high quality. Great job. It's really good. The only downside with this car is the fuel efficiency. I don't really know if you can drive this car efficient. Of course you maybe could. I was driving like 600 kilometers from Stockholm to my town here, Helsingborg, and it was okay. But it's hard. It's really hard to drive this car efficient, because when you know you have that serious power under the hood and it sounds amazing like this, it's hard. It's like having it's like being on a diet and having a big bowl of candy in front of you and don't taking a little taste of it, you know. It's I'm dying. It's fucking nice. It's really nice. And it makes you smile. Every time I jump into this car, it makes me smile. Whoop, up, take it easy, my friend. As you can see, my favorite driving mode is the Sport Plus mode. It's nice, the response is great, the steering, it's really, really good. The sound is amazing. Just the brakes, you know. I don't know if you could upgrade them. I think you could check in some extra box at the specification, so you can get the M performance brakes. I think they would help it a little bit. Otherwise, this car is great. It's really great. So, if you have any questions about this car, you can read our article on our homepage, povdriving.com. We will tell you more about this car in depth. It's a great car. We really like it. This is like the fastest car you can get when it comes to 3 Series touring. It makes me kind of sad because I really wanted to see a M3 touring or a M5 touring. Hopefully we will, but right now this is one of the funniest tourings BMW can offer. So thank you for watching, and if there are any other cars you want us to make a review on, please let us know in the comment field. So take care, guys. Ciao.